Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you've ever enjoyed that soft, crunchy nugget ice from restaurants, coffee shops, or Sonic-style drinks and wished you could have it at home anytime, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker's Dispenser Mistalo Drop Slim is a product you'll definitely want to check out. This compact countertop ice machine is designed to deliver chewable Pebble ice on demand while keeping operations simple, clean, and convenient. So, is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why is this becoming such a popular choice for kitchens, offices, and home bars? Let's start with performance. The ecozy Mistalo Drop Slim can produce up to 40 pounds of nugget ice every 24 hours, which is impressive for a countertop machine in this category. Even better, it can begin producing fresh ice in as little as 8 minutes, meaning you're not waiting around for your first batch. Whether you're preparing iced coffee in the morning, serving guests during a party, or filling coolers for family gatherings, this machine keeps the ice flowing consistently. One of the standout features is its touch-free dispensing system. Instead of reaching into an ice basket with a scoop, simply place your cup beneath the dispenser and collect fresh ice with the push of a button. It's a cleaner and more convenient experience that many users appreciate for daily use. The ice itself is what makes this machine special. Nugget ice, often called Pebble ice or Sonic-style ice, is softer than traditional cubes, making it easier to chew and perfect for iced coffee, sodas, smoothies, cocktails, and flavored drinks. Because the ice is airy and porous, it absorbs beverage flavors while helping drinks stay refreshingly cold. When it comes to size, the machine measures approximately 16.38 inches deep, 6.69 inches wide, and 13.46 inches high, making it surprisingly slim for a high-capacity nugget ice maker. It fits comfortably on most countertops without taking over your kitchen space. The unit weighs about 19.6 pounds, providing a solid, durable feel while remaining portable enough to move when needed. The built-in water reservoir holds 1.2 liters, and ecozy includes a convenient pull-out drawer-style tank that makes refilling much easier compared to many traditional countertop ice makers. Instead of awkward pouring, you simply slide out the reservoir, refill it, and continue making ice. Maintenance is another area where this model shines. The one-touch self-cleaning function helps keep the internal system fresh and operating efficiently. Regular cleaning is important for any nugget ice machine, and having an automated cleaning cycle makes ownership significantly easier. Why is this such a popular choice? It combines 3 features people consistently look for in a countertop ice maker: fast production, premium chewable nugget ice, and touch-free dispensing. Many nugget ice enthusiasts specifically seek out machines capable of producing restaurant-style ice quickly, and this model delivers that experience while maintaining a compact footprint. In everyday use, the 40-pound daily capacity means most households will have more than enough ice available for drinks, entertaining, family gatherings, and everyday hydration. The combination of quick ice production, hygienic dispensing, compact dimensions, and self-cleaning convenience makes it a practical addition to almost any kitchen or office setup. If you want to check it out yourself, the link's down below. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see